Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Welcome to 2022. All right, guys, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back with the copypastemethod.com. The link is in the description. This is for IPS. Learn our $300 a day blueprint. Posting pre-written ads on social media. You're going to love this one. Okay? It's very simple for everybody. No experience is needed. Okay? For this, because you're going to learn how to simply use social media and Craigslist to post ads that they give you. You don't have to come up with this stuff, okay? You get your own personalized website, as you can see right here. You're gonna have your picture here, your link to social media, your name here, so people can have that connection and know they have someone to reach out to if they have any questions. This website will do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to ever worry about explaining this program. Your job is just to send people to this page, okay? All right. Now, you may hear some folks shooting some fireworks. Don't worry about it. The show must go on, all right? So, let's continue. All right, guys, so let me show you the 3 products that you get with the copy-paste method, okay? And I love to say that because that's all you're doing is copying and pasting the pre-written ads they give you. Okay, so we got 3 products here. Okay, so it's very simple. It's a very simple system, very simple program. So, you know, something else you want to think about when you make your decision. How much commissions do you want to make? Okay, $50, $150, or $300? Or do you want to be positioned to be able to receive all commissions? Don't leave any money on the table. Well, then you want to think about that. Now, come down here. This will help you watch this video. It's 2 videos here I want you to watch. Okay, I want you to watch this one. And then come down here. This one will help you kind of make a decision right here. What's your income earning potential? Okay, which level is best for you? Watch this video. It's only 4 minutes. Okay, it'll kind of help you come to a realization of which way you want to go. All right, and then down here is an illustration of all the different possibilities of the commissions you can make depending on which level you decide to come in at. Okay, this is a great way to visualize, okay, where you would want to be. Okay, so take a look at this website. It's very informative. Now, let's go back up here to the products. So, $50 will get you the starter level training. Okay, and remember, it's a one-time investment. It's $25 for your website. Everybody has to pay for their website. No monthly fees, one time. Okay, you can always also upgrade. If you decide you want to upgrade, you can do that. You'll pay the difference, and then you'll pay I believe it's $15 to get your upgrade. Okay, so but just come in where you can. But if you can go ahead and just pay $325, you're done. And just think, the first person that joins you at that pro level, you just got your money back. Trust me, it will happen if you put the work in. All right? Can't make any guarantees, but I'm just telling you, if you commit to this, believe in what you're doing, be consistent, you'll get the results. Okay? So just decide. So starter level, $50. So for $75, you could get this training right here. And you get access to your training immediately. Once you join, I'm going to send you an email. You're going to have access to your products. Your website takes 24 to 48 hours, but you'll have access to this training immediately, okay? So $75, you'll get the influencer brand marketing. For elite level is $150, so you're looking at $175. And you'll have access to internet automation secrets, okay? And that will give you 2 levels. If you do the elite level, you're going to be positioned to receive the $50 commissions and the $150, okay? So that's 2 levels of income, All right, so think about that. If you just do the starter level, you will only be able to make $50 when people purchase this product, the influencer brand marketing. If someone signs up at the elite or the pro level, you won't get those commissions. Okay, so just think about that when you're considering which way you want to go. All right, and then your pro level, which is a 6-figure blueprint, $325 gets you all the training. Okay, and you're positioned to receive all the commissions, the $50 commissions, the $150 and the $300. You leave no money on the table. Plus that gives you more training. You get more ads, okay, as well as training. If you look, the list gets longer. See how the $50 starter level is shorter? Then as you go up, you pay for more training. Of course, you make more money and you get more training. See how the list in the middle is longer now than that one on the left. And then if you go to the pro level, see, the training just goes on and on and on. So more training as well as the income potential is more because you can make $300 commissions. Okay, so very simple program. Copying and pasting these ads. You've probably seen me post some of these image ads, guys, and it actually attracts people. That's what this is called, attraction marketing. That way you're not going out chasing people on social media. Okay, you're not having to bug and bother friends and family or strangers on social media saying, you know, hey, and trying to pretend you like their pictures. I mean, let's be honest. Oh, I like your picture, or we have something in common. That's not how we market. We show you the way to do it where people are coming to you and asking you for more information about what you're promoting. Okay, so with the pro level, you get the 200 ads, okay, versus 100 or 30. Okay, and you get images too, not just ads, engagement ads. You're getting real ads that you can use even on Craigslist. Okay, and Craigslist is powerful, let me tell you. And I have a link I'm going to share with them. I'm going to show you something in a second, but decide which level you want to get in. Get serious. Don't be just curious. Get serious about this thing. It's 2022. You've been checking it out and you just hadn't pulled the trigger yet. So go ahead and do it. Get started, okay? I'm here for you to offer one-on-one ongoing support as well as any questions you may have throughout your journey, okay? Great program. I believe this one came out March of this year, so it's almost a year, okay, that's been out. And folks are having success with it because it's simple. It's not a lot of hoopla. It's not a lot of moving parts to this. Okay, it's as simple as you can get. All right, so go check it out, thecopypastemethod.com. Now let me show you something. If you decide to use Craigslist, I will share this with you when you join me. If you join at the pro level, I will send your first solo ad, okay, to your page. You're going to need to get a capture page, but I will send your first solo ad for you that I have. I'll send you this link once you sign up, because a lot of people are like, well, how much does Craigslist cost? So I've got this list that's going to give you all the cities and all the costs, so you don't have to guess. Okay, so check this out here. Okay, so if you take a look here, guys, see, it has a city and the state. So we got Alaska, and it shows you the cost right here. You see this? It tells you the cost for every city and state right off the bat. So if you know, well, hey, I only have $20, I wonder which cities and states I can post in, you can immediately go to this page and look at the cost. Okay, all the way down to Wyoming. So I can literally just click from here and it takes you right over to Craigslist. So let's say I click Montgomery. See, and it takes me right over there. And let's say I pick job offer. See, and it automatically comes up automatically for me. So you don't have to guess how much the cost is for the cities and states. Okay, so this is a cool little tool, if you will, or a guide. I will send you this link once you get started. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the link below, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get started with this as well. You decide how you want to get paid, guys. You can list up to 3 payment processors, okay, that you can get paid with. If you don't have 3, that's fine, but the company allows you 3. Okay, so you can get paid Cash App, Venmo, whatever you want, up to 3 payment processors. Okay, so instant pay, there's no middleman, there's nobody that's going to take the money and then pay you what they want you to have. Once someone goes to your website and click that buy now button, you're paid instantly. Okay, no delays. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.